Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this little video I would like to announce that from now on, if you would like to get more real Russian language input with meaningful content and rich context, you can participate in weekly group Russian lessons with me, joining a membership at Comprehensible Russian. You can either participate in those lessons directly, if the timing fits you, of course, or get video and audio recordings of those lessons every week. Besides, you will get access to the recordings of the lessons of previous month. The main purpose of those lessons is for you to get more meaningful content and in the context of natural human communication, which enforces your learning. That's why the lessons are held in a method of crosstalk. It means that I speak Russian all the time. Well, there can be a little bit of English, not more than 5% of the time. Mostly Russian. But you can speak either English or Russian, depending on what is more comfortable for you. It does not really matter on this stage if you speak Russian a lot or not. To join this membership, please follow the link below in the description of this video. And I hope to see you at the lessons. Пока-пока!